Hello, today we will talk about MyArchitectAi. This program is a very cool program in an education setting or just having fun at home. So first, after we get into MyArchitectAi, we need to input an image. So we can click this and we'll do the Big Rapids Library. This is a rendering that I made in architect school. So we put that in there, and all we need to do is go down and push generate. So you can see this is the before and this is the after. It makes it look very realistic. There's another feature that I think is pretty cool. If you hit the style transfer and conceptual, you can change it into other things like a pencil sketch. And so there's your pencil drawing. I think it does a really good job about that. So we can also do the watercolor. And there you have watercolor. I think it does a great job at this. So next, we can do one more. We'll do the Baja. Generate. And there you have it. I like it. And so this is just an example of some of the things that you can do with just putting an image in and changing what the appearance looks like. So now we're going to refresh and start a new one. We will do an interior photo. So we click on the file we want and go down and just click generate. And it went from here to very realistic. So we're going to go down and change the mood. So show more. This is under conceptual, style conceptual. We're going to select a darker room and generate. And there it is. It does a really good job at this. So let's push edit and let's add something to this. Let's add a man on the couch. And apply edit. And there he is. He looks kind of lonely, so let's add a party. Maybe he's alone on his birthday. And there's your party. It did a pretty good job, I thought. And everything's, for the most part, within scale. So let's try one more. We're going to refresh our screen. And we are going to do a pencil drawing so you can see what that looks like. This is of a city park. So put it in there and push generate. And this is the result. Now let's edit this. And let's say make a cobblestone path. And then edit. And see the cobblestone path down here. It did a really good job at that. And so let's add a family walking. And then edit. And now I guess we can make it nighttime. And let's go ahead and make it winter. And then we can also put text in there. I'm going to say Merry Christmas and make it look like a card. And that's it. That is my tutorial for the MyArchitectAi.